Oh, okay. Whew. This is actually a scary spot to be right here. I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, a little more. Somewhere I can feel like I can take my hand off the chain and relax. Whew. This is what we're dealing with right here. Actually, kind of going too fast. I should take a little slower so I can appreciate it. Oh man.
Still alive.
Oh yeah, so
I have this right here.
Coming to the end of the chain. I don't know where we go from here.
I'll start guys in front of us.
Yeah, where?
I think right up there. Looks like kind of worn rocks by that bush.
All right. Whew. Okay. Wait, what?
I see the trail right there.
This way?
Yeah, plenty.
Okay. I do see footprints. Condor, Mr. Oh, there he is. Shit. Sorry, just yeah, I can move. Let me just jump off the cliff so you can see. Okay, this is just a normal cliff. I want to see your face. Is it as ugly as they always say?